Hi, everybody. My name is Steve Smith. I'm the editor of PHCPPros magazine. I'm standing here with Ashley Martin, the CEO and president of NIBCO, and we were invited last night to a gala celebration. And today, right now, we're inside the newly opened Rex Martin Interactive Museum. NIBCO, the Rex Martin Interactive NIBCO Museum. That's it. And it's spectacular how much hall is see. It's just amazing. I mean, it's a dizzying amount of stuff in here. Ashley, tell us a little bit more about how this all came to be.
Yeah, so Rex mentioned probably 3 or 4 years ago that he would like to have a NIBCO museum. And about a year and a half ago, when I was thinking about our 120th and the best way to celebrate, I thought a museum would be a good way to do that. But I didn't just want it to be about our history. I want to remember our history and be able to look back, but I wanted to be interactive. I wanted there to be our name too. And so that's where you get the plumbing wall, and you can see how our products help bring water to people, but also take waste away. And then we're in the manufacturing section right here, and so it highlights the 4 different manufacturing processes that they've coded to see.
Very good. Well, thanks again for the invitation. And how are you going to use it going forward? Is it just open to you?
So we'll be open to the public. I hope schools come.
Yeah.
They just have to have a scheduled time, but we have an email address all set up, museum@nibco.com, to be able to schedule that. But I also hope to do training for our associates, for customers, for contractors in the museum, but also we have a training room and a hands-on training room in this building as well.
We didn't say that part yet.
Okay, I'll be happy to take you
walk
there.
back there. But anyway, next time anyone's in Elkhart, Indiana, you gotta stop by this museum. You're just gonna learn so much about NIBCO, about the plumbing industry overall. It's just absolutely amazing. You know, the mementos, milestones, NIBCO's collected. Thanks, everybody.